Today I'm cooking a simple turmeric fried chicken for lunch. It is crispy, tender and very tasty. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 450 grams of boneless chicken. Today I'm using chicken breast meat cut into bite-sized pieces, 60 grams of fresh turmeric, half a cup of pineapple cut into bite-sized pieces, half cup of carrot cut into short strips, half cup of cucumber cut into short strips, half cup of red onions cut into strips, 1 green chili, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of Koki tempura flour. The full list of the ingredients and the measurements are in the show more link. Start with marinating the chicken. Sprinkle half of the salt and half of the pepper. Rub until chicken absorbs the salt and pepper. Add in the balance of salt and the pepper. Rub the chicken again. We are marinating it twice to evenly marinate the chicken. Leave it aside. Next, prepare the oil for deep frying. I have about 500 grams of cooking oil here. Switch on the heat and wait for 8 minutes for it to get really hot. Meanwhile, prepare the fresh turmeric. This turmeric has been washed and cleaned. Use a knife to scrape off the skin. Handling fresh turmeric may stain your hand, but it will eventually disappear after a few washing. Alright, the turmeric is ready. Give it a final rinse. Here is the turmeric that I have washed. We are going to pound it. Put fresh turmeric in a plastic bag to prevent stain on the mortar and pestle. Add double protections, as sometimes the strong force of pestle can burst the plastic. Pound until it breaks up into small pieces. Okay? This should be enough. Turn the turmeric back inside out over the chicken. Use the plastic bag as glove to marinate the fresh turmeric and chicken until well mixed. Alright, this should be okay. See, my hand doesn't have the turmeric stain at all. Turn the bag inside out again and discard it. Next, sprinkle half of the tempura flour on the chicken. Use tongue to toss it to coat chicken with flour. Put in the balance of the flour and mix. Okay, chicken and oil are ready. Use the wooden chopstick to dip into the oil. If bubbles are formed up, it means the oil is ready for deep frying. Put in the chicken one by one. Don't pour it all in the oil, as doing so creates an oil splash and the chicken will be easily clumped together. Alright, this should be enough. We don't want to crowd the pan. The chicken pieces are quite small. They should be ready soon. After 3 minutes, the chicken at the bottom should be cooked and crispy. Give it a stir to evenly cook the chicken. Leave it for another 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, the chicken is cooked and crispy. Remove them from the hot oil and rest on the cooling rack. Continue cooking the rest for another minute. Okay, the rest of the chicken is cooked and crispy now. Remove them from the hot oil and place them together on the cooling rack. Continue with the second batch and repeat. While waiting for the second batch of the chicken to cook, prepare the vegetable. Add in the carrot, cucumber, onions, pineapples, and the green chili. Give it a mix and leave it aside. Now the second batch of the chicken is cooked and ready. Remove it from the pan. Rest it together with the first batch. Then put the hot crispy fried chicken on the top of vegetables. Lightly mix so the residual heat from the chicken will soften the vegetable. And the vegetable absorb the oil from the chicken. I have a serving plate here. Place it on the top of the bowl upside down. Flip the bowl. And now we have a lovely fried turmeric chicken with fresh vegetable. So appetizing. Toss it a little so that the chicken and vegetable look balanced and delicious. This is optional. Alright, it's ready to be served. Eat it immediately, as once the chicken has cooled down, it will be a little tough to eat. This is best served with white rice with some sprinkle of sweet soy sauce. Let's eat! Oh wow! The chicken is crispy on the outside and tender inside, combined with crunchy vegetable. It is so good. Have it with white rice and a bit of sweetness from the sweet soy sauce. So delicious. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.